Every morning, Liam scattered seeds in the yard. The birds came, just like they had when his grandmother was alive. "She feeds them because she loves them," she used to say. One day, Liam forgot the seeds. Yet the birds still came, landing on the porch and chirping softly. They're not here for the seeds, Liam realized. They're here because she cared. He sat down, watching them. It wasn't the food that brought them back. It was the warmth and love she'd shared. Love, like the birds, keeps coming back, even when the hands that gave it are no longer there.